We explore DJI's exciting announcement today. A groundbreaking drone that is poised to revolutionize the industry. As CES 2025 approaches, DJI is preparing to introduce the DJI Flip, a revolutionary drone. Is this the best substitute for DJI's adored Mini Pro series? Stay tuned as we go over every aspect of this eagerly awaited drone, its cutting-edge features, and why it might represent a change in DJI's approach. The development of DJI's drone portfolio. DJI has continuously advanced drone technology, establishing standards for innovation, quality, and portability. The Mini series has been a mainstay for both professionals and enthusiasts over the years, providing small, powerful drones weighing less than 250 g. However, with its distinctive features and design components, the DJI Flip is set to revolutionize this market. A CES 2025 extravaganza. The formal release date. DJI's presence at CES this year is consistent with the event's reputation for showcasing cutting-edge technology. On January 14, 2025, the DJI Flip will formally launch, becoming the first drone to combine portability and cutting-edge safety features. From casual flyers to semi-professional creators, this new addition to DJI's lineup is expected to serve a wide range of users. Defying convention. A novel approach to design. The DJI Flip has an entirely new design in contrast to the Mini series. Convenience for users on the go is highlighted by its dual release buttons and top-loading battery system. This design distinguishes the Flip from other drones on the market in addition to improving portability. Renowned drone enthusiast Jasper Ellens revealed a preview of the Flip's design on X, formerly Twitter, emphasizing its duct propellers and foldable arms. The Flip is perfect for confined spaces and urban settings because of these features, which guarantee safer and quieter flights. Prioritizing safety. Cutting-edge features for every pilot. The design of the DJI Flip is centered on safety. It is the ideal option for novice and recreational pilots due to the duct propellers and propeller guards. That's not all though. The Flip has a cutting-edge LiDAR sensor array that was taken from DJI's more expensive models. Unmatched safety is provided by the sophisticated obstacle avoidance system, which far outperforms the Mini 4 Pro. This feature has been verified by leaked FCC listings, confirming the Flip status as a revolutionary mid-range drone. Camera features. Producing eye-catching airborne videos. A 2-axis gimbal system at the core of the DJI Flip stabilizes its camera for fluid, high-quality video. Although precise information is still unknown, there are rumors that the Flip will be able to record in 4K HDR. Because of this feature, it's a desirable choice for semi-professional filmmakers who want to take detailed and colorful aerial photos. Longer flight duration. Greater freedom to explore. The DJI Flip's remarkable battery life is one of its best qualities. With a 3,110 mAh battery, the Flip can fly for more than 20 minutes. In addition to being superior to the Mini 4 Pro and Neo, this longer flight time gives users more time to explore and create without being interrupted. Pricing strategy. A sweet spot for all users. The success of the DJI Flip will heavily depend on its pricing. Experts predict the Flip will be priced between $499 and $799, positioning it strategically between the Neo and the Avatar 2. This pricing strategy makes the Flip an appealing choice for casual flyers upgrading from budget drones and professionals seeking a compact yet powerful alternative. Across the divide. A mid-range marvel. The DJI Flip's hybrid strategy blends the advantages of usability and versatility. The Flip fills a specific need, whereas the Neo is designed for novices and the Avatar 2 is for FPV fans. It is the perfect option for urban flyers and those looking for a dependable mid-range drone because of its sophisticated safety features, long flight duration, and sturdy design. The Mini series prospects. DJI may be re-evaluating the Mini series' place in its product lineup in light of the Flip's release. With their improved features and affordable prices, models like the Flip and Neo have the potential to eclipse the Mini series. DJI can concentrate on producing models that have an impact and appeal to a wider range of consumers by simplifying its product line. Why it matters to use the DJI Flip. Drone technology has evolved thoughtfully with the DJI Flip. It is an appealing option for drone enthusiasts and creators due to its cutting-edge features, portable design, and safety focus. The Flip is worthwhile for the following main reasons. Portability. It's simple to use and carry around thanks to its top-loading battery and foldable arms. Safety. Propeller guards and sophisticated obstacle avoidance guarantee safe operation in a variety of settings. Performance: 4K HDR recording capabilities and a 2-axis gimbal enable the production of high-quality content. Value: excellent value for money is offered by competitive pricing and a longer flight duration. A novel phase in airborne exploration. The DJI Flip is one of the most eagerly awaited releases as we anticipate CES 2025. Its cutting-edge features and design herald a new era in aerial exploration by providing users with a special fusion of performance, safety, and portability. Regardless of your level of experience, the Flip has something to offer pilots. Your opinions count. How do you feel about the DJI Flip? Is it a good substitute for the Mini 4 Pro, in your opinion? Would it change the way DJI designs drones? Post your thoughts in the space provided for comments below. As always, for the most recent tech news and updates, remember to subscribe to my channel, Technology in the Future, and give this video a thumbs up. For additional information and analysis on the DJI Flip and other fascinating CES 2025 innovations, stay tuned. I appreciate your time, and I hope to see you in the next video.